Central Kansas. Repeating, the tornado warning has been allowed to expire for the following county: Douglas, Kansas. The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Ray County, southeastern Clay County, northeastern Jackson County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Missouri City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Buckner and Sibley around 5:35 p.m. Oregon levels heat around 5:40 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Clay, Jackson, and Ray. The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a tornado warning for southern Johnson County, Kansas, northern Miami County until 6 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Edgerton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Spring Hill around 5:40 p.m. Overland Park in Lewisburg around 5:50 p.m. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 199 and 206. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Kansas, Johnson, and Miami.
The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued urban and small stream flood advisory for central Douglas County, eastern Shawnee County, Jefferson County, and northeastern Kansas until 7 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause urban and small stream flooding in the advisory area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lawrence, Oskaloosa, Tecumseh, Eudora, Richland, Perry, McLeod, Meriden, Azaki, Lecompton, Clinton, Williamstown, and Grantville. Additional rainfall of 1 to 2 inches is expected to fall in less than an hour over the area. This additional rain will make minor flooding. This includes Kansas Turnpike between mile markers 184 and 205. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause ponding of water in urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage areas and low-lying spots. Do not attempt to travel across flooded roads. Find alternate routes